Alright guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to do this kind of 3D text effects. I may not use this one particularly, but I want to show you how to get all these 3D text effects that you used to see on flyer design. If you check, let me show you another one. There are so many of them. I've used them in designs, in most of my designs. So I want to show you how to work on it. And okay, look at this one. This one too is a 3D text effect, this particular one here. So I want to show you how you can handle this kind of effects, how you can do them, and once you do them you can now use them in your designs. So that's what I'll be showing you right now. So first of all, come to your Pixellab. The first thing you do, come to your Pixellab, because that 3D text effect is something different. You have to do it differently before you bring it to come and add to your designs. So okay, let's say you want to do something like open heaven. I've already done that, but let me see if I have that project saved. Okay, it's not saved. Okay, let me just, I want to do a test effect for open heaven. Open heaven. Now this is it. So before, you have to edit this text the way you want it before you go ahead to. So but I will not be editing it much. I'll just use one font. Here's this font. Let me just pick any font, and let me not use that. Okay, let me use this open heaven. Alright, so this is just for, so just make sure you edit the text the way you want it. So let me just, okay, this is okay. So you can just increase it. Sorry, once you increase it, then change the color to black. You can see now it determines, like, you can edit it the way you want it, use any font you want. This one I'm just doing it because I don't want to waste much time. I just want to use one font. I don't want to do too much editing. So once you have done that, all you have to do, go to your background setting, which is this place. Once you go to your background setting, change the background to transparent, that is PNG, then save it as a PNG image. Now after saving as PNG image, go to your browser. Go to your browser, then go to freepik. You can see it, freepik.com. freepik.com. Once you go to freepik, they will likely need you to log in before you can do anything like create an account. So you can just create your account. So once you go there, search for 3D text effects, PSD. PSD is a Photoshop file, like a Photoshop file. So once you click on it, you search for it. So you can see there are so many this thing here, text effect. You can see the text effect, but they will be showing you premium. So I want to filter it by using this. Click on this aspect. Once you click on it, this is to filter. Click on asset type, click on PSD, then the license, click on free, so that they will just be showing you the ones that are free, not the premium version. So once you apply, click on apply, then it will reload. Then all these one are free text effects that you can use. So but the thing there is depending on your phone size, because if you have a phone size that the capacity is very big, like your RAM is very big, then you can use anyone. But you have to search, like me, I know my phone size cannot carry a very big size, so I'll just look for a small size. Now I will show you how you know the small size. Now let's say I want to download this particular one. When you want to download it, you see the size. If I want to download it now, if I click on download, then it will show to, I'll click on free download. Now when the thing wants to download, you will see the size. Now you see this size, look at the size here, 31.65. I cannot open it on the app I want to use, or the web version of the app I want to use to convert it to 3D text effect. So the size I love downloading is size between 5 point something or 6 point something or 7 point something. So I will cancel it. I will cancel this. Then I will make sure I look for the one that the size will be. Let me go to next page. I'm not seeing anyone. Let me go to next page. Any simple one that you see, because all these one are complex, that's why the size are very big. So there's one particular one I'm looking for. When I see it, I will let you know. So I'll keep looking for it. Let me just search. There's a particular one I'm looking for. Although I've already downloaded them, but I don't want to just go straight to my download file and start doing. I want to show you how to download yours so that you do it by yourself. Okay, let's just use this lonely. No. Oh, sorry. Okay, so okay, let's use this particular one, whip. So let's go for this. So I will click on it. Once I click on it, I've already downloaded this one before. So click on download, then free download. So let's check the size. So you have to try to download a smaller size based on your phone. They say the file name already exists. I already have this file name. I already have it downloaded. So but I will still download it. But the file name is not showing. But I just told you the kind of size you should download. So just download the one that is compatible that you can load, because, or if you are using system, you can download any one, because based on your system capacity too. So I'll just download this. You can see the file size. This is the file size, 6.70. You can see it there. So now once you download it, go to your zip file, zarchiver. This is zarchiver. If you don't have it, download it. Once you go to your zarchiver, my own is already open. So once you open your zarchiver, this is what you will see. So once you open it, locate your download file. Once you go to your download file, look for, what's the name, whip. Go to W, because this is arranged alphabetically. Go to W. So once you go to W, you will see it. W. Okay, look at it here. You can see I have like two different files. So because I already downloaded it before. So what you just do, tap on it. Just tap on the file. Don't hold it. Just tap. Once you tap on it, it will show extract. Then click on extract here. Once you tap on extract here, I already have it. That's why it's showing for me to replace. Click on replace. If your own shows like this, still click on replace. So once you click on replace, it will be extracted. Now the file that was in it was not saved with the name whip. If it was saved with the name whip, you would have seen it under this zip file. But since it's not showing that, look at what you will do. Tap on it again, tap on the file again to see the name it's being saved with. Then click on view. Once you click on view, you can see this is the name it's the files are saved, the PSD file. So this is the file we are using, this particular one. So it's saved with 30AF. So just go back to your download, look for 30AF. So just check the name here. We'll look for 30AF. No, go up. 30AF. So okay, look at it here. This is it here. 30AF. You can see it is saved double. So I've already used it to I don't know why it's not showing, but just take note that the one you'll be using is this particular one. So after that, let's go back to our browser. Now after you have extracted it, now you go to, there is this site called Photopea. Look at it here, photopea.com. You can see it here. You can download the app, but me, I'm not using the app version because it's, you like this to hang. It's very the size is big, so because of my phone, so I love using the web version. So you can still use the web version. So this is it, photopea.com. so just click on it. So this is how it will open. You can see Photopea, then just put .com. This is the page, the website. So click on open from computer. Open from computer. Once you click on open from computer, then choose, my own is showing media picker, so click on your media picker or your file. So once you get there, come to, remember you have saved your file as Pixellab. You might not see your zip file. Just click on this 3 dash. Once you click on this 3 dash, all this will come up. Then scroll down, like scroll down, down, just take it down. Then you see the archiver. This is your Z archiver. Once you have seen it, click on it. Once you click on it, go to your download folder. Then locate the name of the PSD file. I told you how to know the name is being saved. Now this is it. This is the name of the PSD file, 30AF. I told you before. So once you tap on it, allow it to load. One of the things that might made it not to load fast is one, network, and the size. So the size, that means some size will not even open. So if it opens, thank God for you. That's why I say download a small size. Okay, it has opened. So as you have seen it, it has opened. So what you do is, you see this icon here, sorry, this icon here, click on it. That icon is the layer icon. So once you click on it, the layers will be out. The layers will be out. Then once the layers are out like this, then you see this part. This is the test effect here. This is the test. So what you do is that you double click here. You see this part that looks like transparent, this part I circled, double click it. So once you double click it, it will open a new layer, like a new page. Now once you open it, this page will open, having this kind of this thing where the text is. So what you will do is that you click here, this eye icon beside it. See this thing, you click on the eye icon. Why are you clicking on the eye icon? Now let me show you the reason. Let me close the layer. Now this is the whip, so you have to place your text here. So let's go back to the layer, but you have to remove this particular whip. So once you go back to the layers, by clicking on the layer icon, click on the eye icon beside the text. Once you click on it, then click on this layer to go back. Once you go back, you see that the text is not here. So this is the text. This is where you place the text that you want to use to convert to the 3D effect. Now once you click on it, click on your file. This is file. Click on it. Oh, sorry. Click on the file. Once you click on the file, click on open and place. So once you click on open and place, now it will take you to your folders. So locate your image folders. Once you locate your image folders, this is the image folder here. If you are not seeing your own, locate on it, or you go to your gallery, locate your Pixellab folder. Now this is the test effect we save, the open heaven test effect that we save. So click on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, it say unable to complete previous operation. This is because we wasted time, so I'll just go back again to redo it. Let me just rush it because I've already explained. So where is it? We delayed. So take note, the size, not all phones can handle this. So okay, let me just rush it. So open and place, select the text like I said, select it, you will see it. Once you locate your Pixellab folder, you can see this is the text. So just increase it. This is the open heaven text. Increase it. Once you increase it, just place it here. Then go back, click on files, on file, click on it again. Once you click on it, click on save smart object. Save smart object. Once you click on save smart object, then the text will now be saved as smart object. So once you have saved it as smart object, click here. Now this is where you are. This is where you are on this second page. Now what you do, you have to click on the first page to see the text being converted, because after you have turned it to smart object, it has been converted to the 3D effect. But for you to see it, you have to click on the first page, which is this one here. You have to click on it. So once you click on it, just give it some times, then you now see your text effect being converted. You can see it has been converted from whip to open heaven text effect. Now you cannot download it like this, you cannot use it like this, so you have to download only the open heaven as a PNG file, which is the text effect. So you have to remove this background and the text up and down. So you have to go back to your layers, which is this, your layer, click on by clicking on the layer icon. So once you click on it, now you have to remove one, the background here, which is this one, then two, the text, which is this one. That's the text up and down. So how do you remove them? You click on the eye icon beside them. Where this is the eye icon. This is the eye icon. So you have to click on it. Once you click on it, that one is out. Click on it, this one is out. Then click on the layer icon to go back. Once you click on it, you can see it's only showing open heaven with no write up at the background. So you are going to download this. Now let me download it. So for you to download it, click on file, then click on export as. Click on export as, then click on PNG. So if the quality of your own is not up to 100, make sure you increase it to 100. Then click on save. So with this, I already have this file existing, so just download it. After you download it, now you can now go ahead on your flyer design, put it on your flyer design and make your design look beautiful. So that is just it. That's just how to work on that and get a good text effect. So you can download as many. There are different text effects of smaller size you can download. I've used so many of them which I've shown you. So I've used so many of them. So I have so many of them that I've used. So just do well, download them and use them for your design. So I will be making a video on how I use one of these text effects on a design. So why I've shown you this part of the video is because I will not be redoing this in the video I will do, like in the church flyer. I want to do to show you how to use this text effect. So you already know how to use the text effect. So maybe the next flyer I will be doing is the next flyer that will contain the text effect. So I will not be going through this process again. So do well to like if this video has impacted you, subscribe and turn on the notification icon. I also share with your friends. Thank you as you do that. God bless you.